the studio.
Well, thanks, Megan. Millions of Americans are affected every day by chronic pain, but you don't have to settle for discomfort, especially during Mother's Day weekend.
Yeah, no kidding. So many actually want to check out some cutting-edge treatments options that actually involves advanced robotic laser. Here to tell us more about that is Dr. M. Scott White, DC. He's the founder of New Life Laser. Welcome back,
thank you,
Doctor.
thank you. Hey, happy Mother's Day
Thank
to all
you.
the mothers out there. God bless you guys. You guys are wonderful. I wouldn't be here without a mother.
Right.
And hey, I want to dedicate this segment to my beautiful mother.
Look at her.
Yeah. Now listen, and also my wife.
And your wife, too.
She's a beautiful mother, too.
But I understand your mother watches when you're on the show.
She does, but not lately. She actually went to be with Jesus on 12/12.
Oh,
so I want to dedicate this segment to her. But listen to this. I'm almost certain you get to watch Great Day Washington in heaven. And if so, Mom, I love you. You're incredible. You're amazing.
And, she's out there saying that's my boy.
Lovely, lovely lady. So, hey, thank God for moms. But listen, also, thank God for Robotic Deep Tissue Laser. Hey, remember Steve Jobs?
Yes.
The Apple guy, yep. He died in 2011. They say right now, today, his net worth would be $31 billion. Now, I want to see hands. Anybody want to trade places with Steve Jobs?
Negative.
No, he's not alive.
That tells me that you consider your health to be worth at least $31 billion, right? Hey, listen, what I want to say is the aches and the pains that you have now at 20, 30, 40, we're living a long time, folks. They say that 71 is the life expectancy. That's hogwash. We're living 80s, 90s, 100. My oldest patient's 100 years old. So listen, the aches and the pains now, we've got to stop them. Because what happens is when you're 70, 80, 90, those things snowball and they become big. Drugs cover up symptoms. Steroid shots are not good for you. Surgery, stay away from it if you can. If you've already had it, we can help you with that too. But the whole idea is, look, if you're going to retire at 65, we don't just live a few years watching Gunsmoke and then die. We live a long time. So look, what's your why? Why do you get up in the morning? You know, you want to be able to lift your grandbabies, play tennis, play golf, walk, garden. I'm just saying, now we can take care of these little problems so that when we get 70, 80, 90 years old, we can still do what we want to do. So the deep tissue robotic laser is amazing to get rid of pain.
Brilliant. Boy, I'm going to give you a big round of applause myself.
And listen, even if you've suffered with problems for a long time, 7 out of 10 of our patients, the first laser treatment, feel better. So there's no cutting, there's no downtime, it doesn't hurt. And it's amazing at getting rid of pain. But more than that, it can actually cause tissue regeneration, cellular healing, so that you're getting rid of the problem. So hey, if you're going to live a long time, why not live in a good way so that you can bend, you can twist, you can move, you can play golf at 90. It could happen.
I'd love to do that. And you're saying people who are taking drugs right now who actually went through the surgery, you can still help them as well.
It's true. And you know, we run 86 to 92% success with back problems, spinal stenosis, disc herniations, knee problems, hip problems, even when you've already had surgery. So the laser draws out inflammation, speeds up the metabolic activity of cells, turns on stem cells, gets rid of pain, but also helps get rid of the actual root of the problem.
And you say various different parts of the body, this laser works.
We can use it on any area except for the eyes. And again, there's no negatives. It cannot hurt you in any way. And again, 7 out of 10 of our patients, the very first treatment, see a positive change. So it's exciting.
Wow. Why is the back the big problem? Other than the common cold, I think the back is the biggest problem we have.
Actually, the back, it's huge. It's the #1 musculoskeletal problem. And look, here's the deal. We have discs in between the bones, and it's not like cutting yourself and 4 days later it's gone. There's not a good blood supply in discs. So what happens is when you damage it playing basketball when you're 14, it gradually decays and narrows, becomes spinal stenosis, arthritis, disc degeneration. But the laser can put blood supply back into the area, stop the progression to a crawl, and reverse it so that you can actually get back to the things that you want to do.
And that's why you're a doctor. Thank you, Dr. M. Scott White.
Yes,
You're
and
awesome.
where do we go for more information?
We want to call 1-888-PAIN-FREE, and we've got people standing by for 2 hours. Now listen, if you tell them that you saw Dr. White on Great Day Washington, they're going to give you a completely no-charge first visit. So call 1-888-PAIN-FREE. We'll do 2 free laser treatments and help you get out of pain.
Thank you so much, Dr. White. Stay with us at home because right after the break,